Tuloy na tuloy ang kauna-unahang pag-host ng Pilipinas sa ikatlong edisyon ng FIG Gymnastics Junior World Championships. Narito ang report ni teammate Jamaica Bayaca.
Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, gaganapin sa Pilipinas ang 3rd FIG Artistic Gymnastics Junior World Championships. Sa temang Leap High, Flip Strong, ipapakita ng mga batang gymnast mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo ang kanilang galing sa prestiyosong torneo. Isa na dito ang kapatid ng two-time Olympic gold medalist Carlos Yulo na si Elzo Yulo na inaasahang ibabandera ang dugong gymnastic champ. Sa media launch na ginanap kahapon sa Pasay City, nanguna sa pagpapakilala ng event sa Philippine Sports Commission Chairperson Patrick Pato Gregorio, Gymnastic Association of the Philippines President Cynthia Carrion, mga kinatawan ng International Gymnastics Federation at iba pang miyembro ng organizing committee. Dito tinalakay ng mga organizers ang kanilang ginagawang paghahanda para sa kompetisyon. Ayon kay Carrion, mula sa venue hanggang sa mga pasilidad, handang-handa na ang Pilipinas na mag-host ng ganito kalaking event.
I'm so happy that we're able to come here to see that our facilities are perfect for the World Championship because, you know, these are a lot of athletes and it has to be really controlled very well and everything has to be perfect. World Championship is just not like anything. It's very, very important for the athletes because that's their stepping stone to the Olympic champions.
Samantala, binigyang diin ni PSC Chairperson Pato Gregorio na malaking ambag ang pag-host ng mga international contest sa pagpapaunlad ng sports tourism at patunay na kaya ng Pilipinas na makapagsabayan pagdating sa world-class facilities. Dahil dito, inaasahang mas maraming kabataan ang may hikayat na sumubok sa gymnastics at itaas ang bandila ng Pilipinas sa international stage.
People understand na if we really want to promote the Philippines as a tourism destination, the best approach is sports. Because in sports, there's friendship, there's camaraderie. This is the best showcase. That is why we're very excited. Can't go wrong. You're in a world-class facility, you have a world-class event, you have a fantastic NSA, and we have 2 gold medals. So that's the story is complete. The pieces of the puzzle, it's complete. So if we can host more events in the future, why not?
Nasa 93 na bansa ang inaasahang lalahok sa torneo na gaganapin sa November 20 hanggang 24 sa Manila Marriott Hotel, Newport's World Resort sa Pasay City. Jamaica Bayaca para sa atletang Pilipino, para sa bagong Pilipinas.